this car for about 6 months, almost 7 months. Got it at 182,000 miles. And you see exactly where I'm driving to work on the 580. Gotta change the oil and filter in about 670 more miles. Let's see, 19999. I need to get a picture of that. It's a little hard to do that while driving, but we're going for it. There it is, 200,000. Oh man, let's hope I can reach 700,000 before this car does. Only thing that is going on it right now is the water pump. It's the original one. It's starting to leak through the seal, so I already bought a new one and a new belt, serpentine belt. This is a timing chain, not a timing belt. It's a 2013 Toyota Corolla in the year 2022. 9 years and it's already got 200,000 miles. It's still in excellent shape though, so I'm gonna just run this thing until I guess it dies. The engine will probably outlast the actual car itself. Probably get in an accident quicker than the engine does. So transmission, first gear, it's a little tired, but a lot of them do that when they're at 200,000 miles. So there it is.